Arizona. I'm 55 years old, and I had a knee replacement surgery in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, done by Dr.Max Greig, and my knee is in terrific shape, and I have no complaints. The surgery was very successful, and I'm able to do many things, including golf and yoga and all kinds of different sports. So I feel it was very, very successful. I found out about Med2Go because it is owned by one of my friends, Dr. Bob Page, and his family, Dr. Curtis Page, and Bobby Page also works at Med2Go. And I trusted Dr. Page to show me a good place to go for surgery. He had written books about medical tourism in Mexico. He knew a lot about Mexico, and I just trusted him to find me a good orthopedic surgeon in Mexico for me. I was about 1 week away from having surgery in the United States, and I got a call from my orthopedic surgeon and found out that Blue Cross Blue Shield would not cover the surgery because there was a rider on my left knee, so they would not cover anything that was going to happen to my left knee. And when I heard about it, I was devastated because I needed the surgery badly, and it was just not going to happen. The cost in the United States was going to be roughly about $50,000 to have an orthopedic surgeon do the surgery, put me in a hospital for a couple of days, rehab, everything included would have been about $50,000, and that was not a viable option for me. That was just too much money to spend on that surgery. The quality of the surgery in Puerto Vallarta was tremendous. Dr. Greig saw me the first day, the day before the surgery, and went over the x-rays, went over the whole procedure with me, and then the next day was the surgery, prepared me for it. Everything was great. The hospital stay was great. I had the surgery, stayed in the hospital for 2 days, and came out after the hospital, and he had somebody at my hotel room doing rehab with me the very next day. We did it for 5 more days while I was in Puerto Vallarta. So it was just tremendous service. I just think it was the best I've ever had. It's been 5 years since my surgery, and it's just been a tremendous surgery. I've had no problems. I play basketball. I coach basketball. I do yoga, Bikram yoga, which involves a lot of strenuous positions, but I can do all of the positions. I play golf. So the surgery has been very, very positive, and I'm just ecstatic about it. If I ever had to have surgery again, I would recommend Dr. Greig for sure. He is a tremendous orthopedic surgeon, definitely as good as any orthopedic surgeon you will see in the United States. So I would highly recommend it.